In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of doing an online degree now that I've done it for 2 years. Hello everyone, my name is Fazan Jaber and I'm a computer science student doing my degree from University of London and I'm based in Pakistan. So I've been doing this degree for almost 2 years now. I wanted to make a video about the pros and the cons of doing a degree online. This video is divided into 3 sections: my daily routine, advantages and disadvantages of doing a degree online. So my daily routine, I wake up at 7 and roam around the house, go on the balcony, look at the beautiful view and do breakfast. But I'm not going to show you how I eat. I open my laptop, start studying for next 4 to 5 hours, and then there comes afternoon, I eat, then I go back and then I take a shower or something, and then I start studying again, and then the cycle repeats every day. Me studying, eating, studying, eating, studying, eating and then sleeping, and then waking up and then eating and then studying. Well, I will make a detailed video about study tips of how to study in an online degree and how should you go about making notes. But normally for me, it's me watching videos on Coursera, making notes, and then going on YouTube if I don't understand something, then reading the reading material and all of that. So it's quite a long list, and that all requires me to be in my room with an active internet connection and then studying on a laptop. And that was my whole daily routine. That's what I do every day, and I did it for the past 2 years. So now talking about advantages. The first advantage right away, it's an online degree, of course. So you're gonna have a phone, you just need a phone or a laptop, and that's it. That's everything you need to study online, and that's the best part about it.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
So the second advantage is that you have a lot of time left to do some other courses, so you can upgrade your skill set. You can learn a new language, you can learn some graphic designing or anything that you want to do. So you can buy some courses on Udemy or anywhere else. So that's another really good advantage of having a degree online, especially in the times of Corona and the times where you are asked for so many things when you are about to go for a job. So it's the best time to upgrade your skill set because you are not under so much pressure to complete your assignments and meet the deadlines. It was all about advantages and the good side of online degree, but there's also a
dark side.
If you only knew the power of the dark side.
So the first disadvantage of doing this degree online is, obviously, you guessed it, lack of physical interaction with people. Since it is online, you are not physically interacting with people, you're just hanging out people online. So your whole world is in an online thing and you're just immersed in it, and that's the thing that I don't like about it. Like, I'm fine with it, I'm not antisocial or something, but I love this degree, but this is something that I kind of miss sometimes. Because if you're coming from, like, we all coming from high school, right? And then you go in and you're expecting to make new friends and interact, having that college life, but you don't get anything when you're doing this degree because just studying and then like having some more time with yourself, which is good. But again, you are not interacting with so many people like you used to or you expected to. So that is one of the main disadvantage, lack of friends. I guess that's life. The advantage that I felt is that you start to compare yourself with the students that are in an actual university. So there will be times that, oh, why am I studying this and why are they studying that, and why am I not doing this and why are they doing that? Because you will feel that degree is somehow, I'm not talking about every degree out there, but most of them are somehow made for an online experience. Like, they are a little bit different from what people are being taught in an actual university. But I don't know if it's good. I hope it's for the good, obviously. But yeah, although I'm also learning all of the skills needed, which is good, and I don't doubt the university at all about the way they are teaching and going about things. But there are some certain times where you kind of compare yourself with your friends, that, oh, why are they doing that and I'm not doing that thing, and why are they aren't teaching it that way. So yeah, that is one of the second disadvantage. So the third disadvantage is lack of motivation to study. Since you're self-studying, no one's gonna force you to study. You're gonna force yourself to study, and you're not going into this physical environment to go and study. You don't have physical friends right now to, help you out if you get stuck. And then sometimes you just lose motivation to do anything. So you just stop studying, you don't make that flow of completing those assignments, and sometimes you get behind the deadlines, and it kind of gets creepy. But that's kind of, a toll of doing this thing online, which you are supposed to do in a physical place. But yeah, everything has its advantages and disadvantages, and it's fine. But in this degree, just remember that you have to force yourself to study. You have to study yourself, you have to discipline yourself, and you just have to make that timetable for yourself, and nobody's going to do it for you. Because if you don't do it for yourself now, you won't be able to do it for yourself when you're in a job or something. And something that, I guess, it's, although I'm talking about disadvantage here, but something that it has taught me is self-discipline, how to study myself, how to figure out solutions for problems myself. And I kind of like about this degree in a certain way, I guess. Yeah. It all up, it's not the final verdict, but to see it in a way that this degree has its own advantages and disadvantages. You should do it if you are self-disciplined, and if you can make yourself study, and you can handle that pressure when you are given to study everything yourself, reading books, researching on YouTube, watching videos multiple times, and understanding it. So if you're ready for it, do it then. But yeah, this is something that will help you, like researching and doing things yourself. It is a good thing to learn, but if you can do it and if you're willing to do it, then do this degree. I'm not gonna give a final verdict right now because I'm just almost like I still have a year left. So it doesn't make sense if I tell you that, oh, this degree is amazing, because I haven't completed it myself. Well, it's fair to say that this degree is good right now for me. The quality is good. I'm satisfied with it. I'm satisfied with the quality. I'm satisfied with the way they teach. I'm satisfied with the content. I'm satisfied with the all of the courses they are offering, and I believe that the future holds a lot of good for me, hopefully. But yeah, and I think that after a year, I will have much more skills, and I'll be taking a lot more than I came with when I started this degree. Maybe I'll be job ready when I am done with this degree for sure. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and I will be making more content about online degree and study tips, and maybe about ONA levels too, because I did that, and tips and tricks for everything. So this channel is about productivity, travel, tech, whatever I love to make. So until then, bye.